guys, we're going out. Though super ulan, but I think we have to go because meron akong dapat asikasuhin sa town. Hindi ko alam if it's a good decision to go out. Lalo na tong isa. She's very, clingy. Ay! Ako lang. Si Andy, he's gone to work. So, meron akong mga errands na dapat gawin. What do you wanna say to the guys? Anyway, we're getting ready to go to town, guys. Ang errands namin, we're going to the photo place. What else, Aliyah? We're going to the bank. We're going to the shop, sa Asian store. We're going to a dental clinic. Hindi ko and then Aliyah has a vaccination later at 2 p.m. So we have to go. All right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're going, guys. Good luck to us because it's raining. Si Lady, umiiyak siya kasi alam niya maiiwan na naman siya. Yeah? Are you ready to go? Right, let's go. Mommy has to put the socks.
Everyone, hello everyone. We are here in the car. Kasama ko si Aliyah. Magta-town kami. So, tapos na yung ulan. Kanina, super horrible ang weather, guys. Pero ngayon, look at that. Blue sky. Kaya, lalabas kami ni Aliyah. Mayroon kaming errand sa town. Ipapadala ko na kasi yung LBC box. Pero nakalimutan ko yung bilin ng nanay ko na kopya ng mga pictures ng kasal namin. Nakalimutan ko magpa-print, guys. Kaya, pupunta kami ngayon sa Photoshop, Fujifilm shop, para magpa-print ng mga pictures namin nung kasal. Kasi kabilin-bilinan yun ni Mami. Yung Mami ko na magpa-print ng copy ng mga pictures namin nung kasal. So, pinili ko na lang, ang dami namin, na halos 1,000 yung pictures ng kasal namin, more than 1,000 pieces. Pinili ko na lang mga 100 na pictures. Ang dami kasi So, ang ginawa ko, yung mga essential photos lang. Tsaka yung mga andun sila. Yung mga pictures nila. Ayun si Aliyah sa likod. Hi, baby! Kumakain siya, guys. So, anyway, let's go. Magto 2 o'clock na. So, kahit 2 hours lang kami doon sa town. So, let's go, guys. Hi, Aliyah. What are you eating? Strawberry. Strawberry. At the coffee shop. I'm feeding Aliyah. I'm having drink. Hindi na ako naka-vlog na naman whilst we were out. Kanina lang nung nasa cafe na kami. Nung nagkakape ako, tsaka pinakain ko si Aliyah, yun lang yung time na nakapag-vlog ako na naman. Dahil guys, ang hirap pag may anak ka. Ang hirap mag-vlog ha, in fairness. Talagang idol ko yung mga vloggers, ma'am, dyan na they can still vlog even though they have kids or they have a kid. Alam mo yun, na mag-isa nila. Madami kaming shops na pinuntahan ni Aliyah. So, nagpunta kami sa shop na sa photo center. Mamaya mag-haul na lang ako para i-share ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginawaan namin ni Aliyah. So, yeah. Andun si Aliyah sa likod. Hi, Aliyah! Say hi! So, time check guys, it's 4:28. So, uuwi na tayo. Madilim na guys. Look, oh. Ayan. Nasa car park tayo. Naka 3 hours, almost 2.5 hours din kami ni Aliyah. Pero yung car park ko, I paid for 3 hours. So, I'll let you know when we get home. And then, magho-haul tayo. Okay? See you at home, guys. Hi, guys. We're going to do the haul. Napaka-oily ng face ko, guys. So, dyan lang kayo. Samahan nyo na ako. Magho-haul ako, guys. So, random ito, ha? Pumunta tayo sa iba-ibang shops. Random tong mga i-haul ko. Okay? First on the list is Aliyah's new bottle. So, yung nabili namin na bottle dati sa Philippines, yung may straw, nagli-leak. Kaya, bumili kami nitong favorite naming water bottle from Tommy TP na kahit iganon-ganon mo, hindi siya nagli-leak, guys. Okay? That's number 1. Second is fish sauce o patis. Nagpunta tayo guys sa Asian store. Second, Nagaraya. From Asian store ulit. I got the garlic. Yan. So, Asian store tayo guys eh. Pinakurat. Staple to sa aming kitchen kasi si Andy loves the spice. So, lagi akong may pinakurat sa kitchen ko. Next on the list is face wax. Ayan, yung mga ano-ano ko dito, yung mga buhok-buhok sa face ay tatanggalin natin using the Veet face wax. Second is yung hair product ni Daddy. Facial, ano to? Mask. Facial mask. So, yung parang mud face mask. So, mag-iiba. Because pa-winter na guys, so I need to upgrade or change my ano yun? Yung routine. Face routine. Facial routine. Bumili rin ako guys ng Clinique Exfoliation cream. 7 days exfoliation cream. So, ito yung dati kong ginagamit. I've been using many different exfoliating cream. Pero, bumabalik pa rin ako sa Clinique. Clinique Exfoliating Cream. And then, nako si Aliyah, tinutulungan niya akong haul. For my winter staple, guys, ito ang ginagamit ko. Vichy Hyaluronic Acid. Hyaluronic acid, yeah. So, ito siya. Fortifying and Plumbing Daily Booster. Ito, guys, nakailang bote na ako. Super ganda nito. Ganyan lang itsura niya, oh. And never akong nag-dry ng face during winter. Simula ginamit ko to. Kaya, every winter, before mag-winter, I buy this product. Ayan. Next, binilahan ko din since naka-sale. I bought training cutlery for Aliyah. Ayan. Meron na naman siyang bagong spoon and fork. Next, photo album. Papadala natin to sa Philippines, guys. And, meron din tayo ditong frame. Picture frame. Ayan. Papadala din natin sa Philippines kasi ang lola ni Aliyah ay nag-request na padalhan sila ng aming wedding photo. So, ito, at saka to, ilalagay ko, ganyan. Yan. Saka ilalagay ko sa LDC box. Pa-print din ako ng 100 photo from our wedding, guys. Ayan, o. Ayan. So, copy to ng mommy at daddy ko sa Philippines for our wedding pictures. Ayan, yan. O, diba? So, madami to. 100 plus photos yung pinaprint ko kanina. Next is oyster sauce. And then, meron din tayo ditong Voltarol for daddy. Kasi sumasakit yung likod ni Andy, kaka-football. Ay! Hi, baby! You come and sit here. You say hello to the vlog. Voltarol. Oh, for daddy's back.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. So, time check, 7:30 na ng gabi. Nakauwi na ang daddy, si Mr. So, pag uwi niya kanina, na-surprise naman ako sa inuwi ng aking asawa. So, guys, syempre kailangan natin i-flex ang ating mga asawa, 'di ba? So, umuwi siya at naka-receive naman ako ng flowers. Isn't it a lady? Yes, lady? You want flowers too? Yes, it's from dad. Look, it's pretty, isn't it? Yeah. So, may sakit kasi si Andy. Andy wasn't well last week. And talagang he was really, parang nagtae. He had diarrhea. So now, he said, I bought you flowers because you look after me last week. So, ilagay na natin sa vase, guys. Join me as I do this. Okay? I find it therapeutic every time I make flowers. I stopped buying flowers recently. Ang huli kong bili ata ng flowers was Easter. So, medyo matagal na rin akong walang fresh flowers sa bahay. I normally buy flowers before. But recently kasi, I find that yung medyo mahal ang mga bilihin. So, yung prina-prioritize ko, I prioritize what I buy for now. So, it's been a while since I bought flowers for the house. But before, I always have fresh flowers, guys, sa bahay. Anyway, at least ang ating daddy ay hindi nakalimot magpasalamat, 'di ba? Na-appreciate ko naman ang kanyang pagte-thank you sa akin. Ayan. Parang hindi nyo naman kita yung aking flower arrangement. Ayan. So, last week, guys, all of us actually, kahit ako, I had to be off from work because I vomited. Yeah, I vomited once only, but after that, I was really bloated. So sabi, the pharmacist said, oh, you caught the bug. You caught a bug from your husband. Kasi Andy went first. Nag-diarrhea siya. And then, even Aliyah, actually, Aliyah had, vomited. So, we all stayed at home for like 2 days. Ang ganda ng flowers, guys. Oh my. I'm so in love. They are beautiful. Ayan. Anyway, let's put it in the water para fresh pa rin siya for the days to come. Ayan. Ang laki pa ng bunch niya, ha, in fairness. Tapos puro roses siya. Ang konti ng filler. Ayan. So, anyway guys, kinilig naman ako sa ginawa ni Mr. today na binilhan niya ako ng flowers. Ayan, dyan kayo para makita nyo. Hey Google, kitchen lights on. Ayan. So, let me just enjoy my flower arrangement. Then, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya.